Hey guys, my name is Alex and welcome to today's video. In this video, we're going to be doing a review into the latest XBOOM technology coming out from LG, and it is the LG XL9T party speaker. We're going to be breaking down each of its features and showing you how fun and amazing this party speaker is. So make sure that you guys are strapped in and ready to enjoy this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this video. So if you want to experience powerful deep bass, know that the LG XL9T woofer units are equipped with a double winding voice coil which allows it to move back and forth further. Imagine a piston in a car engine. The more the piston moves, the more powerful the engine. This allows the woofer unit to produce deep and rich bass than standard speakers. On top of that, you are equipped with larger 3-inch tweeters located at the top over here than standard traditional party speakers out there in the market. And now when we look at those two dual 8-inch woofers and the dual 3-inch tweeters, together they deliver a massive 1000 watts of audio output. Now that's surely gonna blast away your clothes off when you're hosting a party. When it comes down to a party, the most crucial thing to an atmosphere is its party lighting, and the XL9T delivers in this area. It comes through with a pixel LED display that is customizable to your liking, whether it is a string of text or changing its pattern to the way you want it. It also comes through with strobe lights, which is a 3, but you can add an additional 4th from your phone, which is absolutely fantastic. It comes through with multi-color ring lighting available on your woofer right over here, and all of this, guys, is customizable via the LG XBOOM app, in which I'm going to be showing you how to do right now. The LG XBOOM app is available on iOS and Google Play Store, so go ahead and download it so that I can show you how to customize the lighting on the party speaker. Scroll down to lighting control. This function right over here allows you to turn on and off the individual lighting functions available on your party speaker, such as the pixel LED display or the woofer lighting. But go ahead and turn on everything because that just adds more fun to the atmosphere. Scroll further down and you're greeted with the pixel art display. This here has many preset modes that are available on the XBOOM app that you can select for each individual moment. But if you want your own customizable images and patterns or text displayed on the screen, go ahead and click the pencil button right over there. Then click the plus sign towards the top right. There are two modes to it. There's the ABC, which is your string, and then there is the image, which is your customizable patterns, the DIY mode that I was talking about in the beginning. I'll show you how to utilize the string, and then we'll look at doing the DIY mode after. In the string, you want to enter your text up to 40 characters. Guys, that means you can say happy sweet 16th, you can say welcome, you can greet your people, however you like. I'm going to go ahead and type subscribe because that's what you should do for these amazing review videos we do on your LG home entertainment products. Click confirm. Go to text movement. You got basic, which is just a standard scrolling. You got glitter, which is a flashing effect. And you got bounce, which bounces across your pixel LED display. I'm going to select glitter because it gives off the best party vibe. Then you got your text speed, which is normal, slow, and fast. I think normal is the best. And then you got your text color. You can choose a static color or toggle the continuous color change. I'm going to leave mine on static, has red, because LG is red. Now we have the subscribe available by clicking the save button, and then we can go ahead and select it via the preset modes available right over here. There we go. That's how you add the string to the pixel LED display. Let's go ahead and show you how you can do the image pixel LED display right now on the XBOOM app. Let's go ahead and add the DIY mode onto the party speaker by clicking the image. Now we're greeted with image blocks that we can customize according to our liking. Now I'm not that very creative when it comes down to creating art, but I'll go ahead and create something I believe is very easy. I'm gonna fast forward in this motion, but it is a similar experience to what you're going to be doing to create your own pattern. Let's go ahead and create my pattern. There you go, guys, the South African flag. Now what you want to go do is set the movement. I'm going to say slide right, and then I'm going to say okay. The speed is going to be normal, and then I'm going to click save. Now once you've saved your pattern, it will become a mode on the pixel art display list. And there you guys go, the South African flag now on the LG XL9T. So let's go ahead and talk connectivity. It does come through with a mic and guitar input with individual knob gains. It will come through with a USB input as well as support of Bluetooth, so you can go wireless. Now let's talk about the last feature at hand over here, guys. If you want to add more power to the LG XL9T, you can pair it up to one more XL series, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Again, back onto the LG XBOOM app, because what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you see wireless party link. When you're in wireless party link, you want to go over to multi-mode and then transfer music to nearby speakers. Once it does that, it will be searching for nearby speaker, and then you want to go ahead and activate the Bluetooth mode on the XL7. Once you activate the Bluetooth mode on the XL7, it will go ahead and find it. You want to click it and connect the speaker. It will attempt to connect and successfully connect, and when you play your music, the lights, strobe lights and everything will go into effect. And that's how you utilize the wireless party link, and then adding more power to your already powerful XL9T. Now guys, that is the end of the video, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching to the very end. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like as well as subscribe, and if you do have furthermore inquiries or questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys. As always, stay good, and I'll see you guys in the next one.